We're outside on the patios. We welcome you back to CH Morning Live. Father's Day weekend is a week away, and we are celebrating dads, especially the handy ones today. Builder Ryan Thompson is here. We have a lot to talk about today. I'm obsessed with lawn care, so I'm glad that you brought some lawn care products. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so I mean, I think, everybody likes to achieve that nice green, golf green type grass. So fertilizer is a very important part of that. Right, so what this is from UpTurf, a Canadian company. So that's one of the nice things about it. It's made for our climate, our conditions here, and it's a spray-on lawn fertilizer that lasts for the whole year. Okay. So there's one kit that's going to be for your spring, another one that's for your early summer, midsummer, and then fall. And it has different nutrients that your lawn's going to need throughout those time periods. And it's super easy in where you just attach it to a hose and you just spray it on. And it's also nice because if you have cedars, shrubs, boxwoods, other things, you can use it on it as well. And I mean, you can see I use that first bag, and the results within a few days, it really works well.
And is this one application?
Yeah, it's one application, but you can reapply. So the bags have a certain amount of square footage on them, so you can reapply it couple times if you did need to, if you're within that time period. And the other thing too is it's unlike other fertilizers where it is, it's eco-friendly. So if you have dogs, if you have kids, you don't have to worry about keeping them off of it for a certain period of time. It's all very safe stuff.
Dads always seem to be doing something with caulk around the house, and you've brought some stuff with you.
Yeah, so this is from DAP, and it's a caulking toolkit. So it comes with a couple different attachments. There's one there that kind of, instead of using your finger, you can use the tool that it has there to give you those different size lines. One of the things that I really like about it is that it has these lids.
Nice.
So how often do you open up a tube of caulking? You don't use the whole thing.
Stick a nail in it.
Yeah, you stick a nail in it. This gives you a nice airtight seal that whenever you go back to use it, it hasn't dried out on you.
Excellent.
So I really like that kit for that.
That's great. All right, and we have an automatic caulking device.
Yeah, so this is a good one for dad. Probably something he won't buy himself per se, but if he has one, he'll appreciate it. So it's an automatic caulking gun. It has a nice anti-drip feature. So what that means is if you ever caulked, when you go to stop, sometimes you'll get some excess drip.
You got to release, right?
What this does is it recoils it to prevent that dripping.
Awesome. So
that's a nice feature. And then if you actually look on the back, it has a dial, so you can control different speeds.
Amazing.
You can control different flow rates. So I love using it. It's really handy.
How long did it take you to get the hang of the delivery of it?
Not long at all.
Really?
Not long at all. I just put it on, the first time I used it, I just put it on the slowest setting, got the gauge of, how the flow rates. I only use it on the lowest setting.
Okay.
So
you got a cool measuring device here.
Yeah, so this is a laser measuring tool. So if you're measuring rooms, you want to know the distance, interior, exterior. It uses a little laser. You push a button, and it gives you the distance very accurately.
Really?
Yeah. So it was actually introduced to me by one of the flooring contractors I worked with. He came by one of my projects and he had it, and I was like, "What is that? I need that." And it's so convenient. I love using it.
So it's going to put the measuring tape out of business.
A little bit, maybe. A little bit, right? For your long span measurements, that's the tool. If you're doing little precise cuts, you can't beat the measuring tape, but for the longer spans, it's something nice to have in the arsenal.
Yeah. All right, Ryan, you brought something special as well for maybe the ultra special dad.
Yes, this is for dad, you're on your feet, you need that recovery, you got sore legs, or maybe you're working out, whatever it is. These are recovery boots. So what these do is they provide compression to your legs, and they aid in the recovery of your legs, the fatigue, if you just had a long day, or if you worked out, they rejuvenate your legs. I use these all the time. They're absolutely amazing, and they're affordable. You can get these for the viewers wondering, Best Buy has these. They're phenomenal.
Yeah, we got about 20 seconds. How long do you put it on for?
So the setting I use is a 30-minute setting, and it has 5 different options that you can choose from, and I use one that what it does is it compresses, it works up your leg. So it starts with the compression on the feet and then works it all the way up to your upper thigh.
Amazing. So. Ryan, thanks for bringing all these goodies, great gifts for dads. Happy Father's Day as well.
Yes.
And more on Morning Live coming up here.